family, Master Starnes here, and this video is going to be on the terminology. So this lesson breaks into 3 parts. The first lesson is going to be about the commands. You know all of these commands, so please practice them because it helps the students kind of bond together and learn how to follow the class, and it makes it easy for them to follow the instruction. At the same time, it makes it more efficient for the instructors to guide a group of students. The first one is chariot. Chariot means that the instructor wants everybody's full attention. So whenever we're doing whatever we are doing, punching, kicking, doing some of our moves, talking with our friends, if we hear the word chariot, we bring our body to full attention and we answer, "Yes, sir!" And we completely focus because the instructor is going to give us some direction at that time, as soon as everybody's attention comes together. So the next command that we're going to be working on is 경례. 경례 is the word to bow and show respect. So say after they finish some training, the instructor will say, "Okay, 차렷," and then they will say 경례. At that time we bow and we would say, "Thank you, sir," or "Thank you, ma'am," depending on who's teaching us. So that is the word 경례. So the next command after 경례 is going to be 준비. 준비 means to be ready. So when an instructor said 준비, so wherever we're standing, taekwondo, this. So they say 차렷, 준비, taekwondo, and 경례. So when we're in the 준비 stance, we don't relax. It's an active stance to stay focused but ready for some moves. And then the following command is going to be 시작. 시작 means to begin. So the instructor may say, "Okay, we're going to start some push-ups, so we're going to start some combination kicks. We're going to do 10 roundhouse kicks. Ready?" And then they're going to give you an order to be ready, and they're going to say, "Okay, 시작!" And that means, okay, we start our roundhouse kicks and our moves. Okay? After that, the next command is going to be 바로. So say we're doing some moves together with our partner, we're doing a training drill, blocks and punches or combination kicks, and then we're working together and the instructor says, 바로! It means to return back to the beginning of whatever we were doing. So if we were here in the beginning facing our partners, and then we're doing our exercise going back and forth, the instructor says, 바로! We come back here and we return back to this position, which means that the instructor just wants us to be back in the beginning part to get ready. We may do another drill. The next command is going to be sh. So say we practiced, we did some moves, right? The instructor say, "Okay, let's run through some of them. 차렷, 경례, 준비, taekwondo." Okay? And then they say, "Okay, do fighting stance. 준비, yeah," and then do some kicks. Boom, they say, "Okay, 바로, yes, sir." And then they say the word sh. So we're gonna bring our feet together. So that's the next command, sh, and we're gonna bow. We're gonna say, "Thank you, sir." What they're telling us is we can relax at ease. So we thank them for giving us the opportunity to relax. So we bow first, and then after we bow, we can kind of stretch out, relax, fix our uniforms, whatever we need to do. They don't want our attention immediately after this. They're giving us some time for break. And then the final terminology that you need to know for the white belt is going to be 뒤로 돌아. Okay? 뒤로 돌아 is going to be how to turn around. So the instructor say, "Everybody, 차렷!" You do, "Yes, sir!" They say, 뒤로 돌아. You're going to take your right foot. I'll use my left one to demonstrate. You put it behind, and you're going to spin it. Like this. But we're facing this way. And take the right foot. We're going to answer, "Yes, sir!" Just like this. So those are the commands that you need to know as a white belt. So list them off one more time. It's going to be 차렷. Then it's going to be 경례. Then it's going to be 준비, 시작, 바로, sh, and 뒤로 돌아. Alright, so you can always come back to this video for an explanation and get more comfortable with that if you feel like you don't know. And you can also ask instructors anytime throughout your classes. All right, thank you so much for being part of our Taekwondo family. Enjoy your practice, and I'll see you in the class.